Okay, let me just grab this remote. No, I didn't mean to sit down. Okay. Can I get up now? Can I get up now? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm ready to build. Now let's just open my inventory and get... The door of this room is locked. Alright, these locks are jammed too. Let's see if I can mail it open to smack. Uh-oh. I'm not really sure I believe what she said. I should ask her to clarify. Do you think I'm a fucking idiot? Of course I know you're lying to me. That was really aggressive for no reason. Oh look, a dog. I wonder if I can pet it. That's not what I meant to do.